Today we are here at AI for Care Summit, and I came across this very interesting stall here which actually works for the betterment and improvement of women health. So I have with me here today Shruti from Periwinkle Labs, and this is your product,
Yes.
Ikshana. So this product is actually very interesting because this helps in the betterment of women health, especially the pelvic region or the muscles.
Right.
Usually after giving birth or in their old age, the pelvic muscles becomes weak
Become.
and it tends to lose strength and all.
True.
So this magical product improves that health without even exercising physically.
Yes.
So tell me more about it, Shruti.
Yes. So this is a wearable solution for multiple pelvic disorders that people might have, starting from pelvic pain or even urinary incontinence, where women don't have control over their bladder.
Uh-huh.
In case of weak pelvic floor, the physiotherapists usually recommend you to do something called Kegel exercises,
Kegel exercises.
where you have to contract and relax your pelvic floor muscle in a certain duration intervals. But most women don't know how to target the right muscles or if they are doing it the right way.
Yeah,
Right?
even if they're exercising, they don't know whether that exercise is actually putting pressure on that specific muscle.
True, true. So we have multiple products. One of our product is actually a wearable which you can wear and do these exercises, and it has sensors which is going to detect if you're targeting the right muscles.
Okay.
So it gives you real-time feedback of if you're targeting the right muscle, putting the right amount of pressure that you have to. Then there is also another version of the product which gives you electrical stimulation. So
Okay.
here you don't even have to do the exercise. The garment is going to do it for you.
Okay.
You just wear it even under your everyday garment and you can go about your day. You can use this app to like start the stimulation. It would be for a duration of 20 to 30 minutes. You can use it while doing your work, going about your day, and you're good to go.
So, by this, Shruti means that even if you are in your office, at
Right.
home, or anywhere else, you just sit and this magical pant or this trouser will definitely work out for you and keep your pelvic health in check. Is that what you want to
True.
say?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
yes, this is a very magical product by Periwinkle Labs. The product name is called Ikshana. So this stall has been set up here at AI for Care Summit. And with camera person Pawan, this is Rahul Dayan for News First Prime, Bengaluru.